Question 46. Question 46 asks that how many ATP and NADPH2 molecule will be required to make one molecule of glucose in C3 plant. For one molecule of glucose synthesis by C3 path 6 CO2 fixation occurs. So 6 Kelvin cycle run. Now if 6 CO2 fixation occur and 6 Kelvin cycle goes, then 3 ATP are used per CO2, so 18 ATP and 2 NADPH are used per CO2, so 12 NADPH are used in C3 path for one glucose synthesis. So according to this, B option becomes the correct answer. Next is question 47. Question 47 asks that in the C4 cycle more food will be produced. The reason is in C4 cycle more food get produced. The reason is option 1, presence of CO2 that occur in C3 pathway as well, so that cannot be the answer. 2, because of presence of malic acid is here but that get broken up, so it is not correct. 3, absence of photorespiration. Yes, due to the absence of photorespiration the loss of CO2 does not occur, so that is the correct answer. And 4th, presence of enzyme Rubisco is present in C3 plant as well, so that cannot be the characteristic of the C4 cycle for more food production. So the absence of photorespiration is important and correct answer for the question 47. Question 48. Question 48 asks that Cranch anatomy is one of the characteristic for the leaves of. Now, Cranch anatomy is a characteristic feature of C4 plant, and out of the given options, sugarcane is the C4 plant, and it is given in option C, so that becomes the correct answer. Question number 49. Question number 49 asks that which is incorrect for photosynthesis? Incorrect for photosynthesis. Option A, it occur in chloroplast. Yes, obvious, it occur in chloroplast. B, it occur only in daytime. Incorrect, photosynthesis can occur in daytime as well. C, it is a characteristic of C4 plant. Yes, it is a characteristic of C4 plant. D, it is a characteristic of C3 plant. Yes, 3 can also perform the photosynthesis. So it does not occur in day only, it can occur in night as well. So B becomes the correct answer. Next is question 50. Question 50 asks that a assertion is given as in the photorespiratory pathway there is a synthesis of ATP and NADPH. Actually, there is a use of ATP occurs in case of photorespiration. So the given statement is incorrect. Our reason is given as in C4 plant photorespiration does not occur. In C4 plant photorespiration does not occur. So it is a correct, obvious. In C4 plant photorespiration does not occur because photorespiration occur in C3 plant. So A is incorrect and R is correct. So D becomes the correct answer. Question 51. Question 51 asks that which process is required for the formation of oxaloacetic acid? Process required for formation of oxaloacetic acid from phosphoenol pyruvate. So phosphoenol pyruvate when react with CO2 in presence of Rubisco, it form oxaloacetic acid. It form oxaloacetic acid, which is a C4 acid. So this is a carboxylation in case of C4 plant. So D become the correct answer, that is a carboxylation. Next is question 52. Question 52 asks that in photosystem 1 the first electron acceptor is the PS1. First electron acceptor is iron sulfur protein. So A become correct answer. Next is question number 53. Question number 53 asks that enzyme Rubisco act as both carboxylase and oxygenase. So why you say that Rubisco in C4 plant do more carboxylation? In C4 plant at two site CO2 fixation occur. One is mesophyll cell and one is Burdens's cell. So if they have a more site for attachment of CO2, then that becomes the correct answer. Next is question 54. Question 54 asks that cyclic photophosphorylation result in formation of cyclic photosphorylation results in synthesis of ATP. So C become the correct answer. Next is question 55. Question 55 asks that which sentence is concerned with Cornelius von Linne? Now Cornelius von Linne used purple and green sulfur bacteria and showed that in green plant O2 released is from water and not from CO2. So C become correct answer. Next is question 56. Question 56 asks that which C3 plant are used in greenhouse crops? Which C3 plant are used in greenhouse crop? Now in greenhouse actually what happens, the CO2 concentration increased and CO2 fertilization occur. Why? Because in C3 plant when grown under the greenhouse crops, the CO2 concentration increased, which is greater than 450 microliter per liter, and C3 plant starts photosynthetic maximum rate. So the option D, bell pepper, become correct answer. Next is question 57. Question 57 asks that photorespiration is catalyzed by. Now photorespiration occur when Rubisco act as oxygenase. So this is catalyzed by Rubisco. So C become the correct answer. Next Question 58. Question 58 asks that chromatophores take part in. Chromatophores are the pigment containing bodies. They take part in. Now, chromatophores are the pigment containing bodies. And if they have a pigment, it helps in absorb light, so photosynthesis can occur. So in question 58, D become correct answer, that is photosynthesis. Next is question 59. Question 59 asks that which was the first product of light reaction of C4 plant? First product of dark reaction. Please make correction in question. First product of dark reaction of C4 plant. First product is C4 acid, that is oxaloacetic acid. So B become correct answer. Next is question 60. Question 60 asks that A. In C4 plant, carboxylation takes place in chloroplast of mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. In C4 plant, carboxylation takes place in chloroplast of mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. Actually, in C4 plant, first carboxylation occur in cytoplasm of mesophyll cell by PP carboxylase to form oxaloacetic acid, and second carboxylation occur in bundle sheath cell. So this is incorrect. Now R is given as in C3 plant CO2 fixation occur in mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cells. No, in C3 plant CO2 fixation occur in mesophyll only. So this is also incorrect. So both A and R are false. So B become correct answer. B become correct answer.